All right, this is number 3 installment. Um, the wiring is fairly complete. Fairly complete. Uh, the um, the the wires for the headlights are right there, and they're wired. Down. I got a new brake light switch, so I'll have brake lights for it, and I got the tack wired in. All the gauges work. I know it's a mess. I'm still working on cleaning up the wiring. And but you turn the key and the gauges work. So it's working. Well, sort of. The car I got the exhaust on, and it cranks over, but it's not starting. Initially we had a fuel problem and we had a timing problem, or a firing order problem. I think the firing order was off. I'm pretty certain that the firing order is right now and the fuel's right, but it's still I'm still not fired up yet. So we'll obviously keep cranking on it, and we'll go from there. So it kind of coughs a little bit, but and I see a little cough out of the carburetor, so I'm not convinced that something else isn't amiss somewhere along the lines. So I'm trying to figure it out. I got some more bolts. Anyway, so the started working on locking the seat belts down. I got the fasteners, in for the steering wheel are in. They're not tight, but it's in. So it's coming. It's just a bit of a we messed with it for a while yesterday, trying to get all the trying to get it to crank over. He was really wanting to get a start, and even just to run for a second, just to see it run, and it didn't happen. So he's a little dejected, but we'll get it. Anyway, so that's what's going on now.